Imagine scheduling parent-teacher conferences for your class in less than 5 minutes. It's easy with Signup. This short video will show you how. If you are planning conferences for your entire school or grade, we have you covered too. We'll cover conference planning for an individual teacher first. To get started, please register a free account at Signup, then click Create a new sign-up from your dashboard. Select your sign-up type as a single or multiple day, then your category as Parent-Teacher Conference. Scroll down and add a title, welcome message to parents, and a meeting location. The welcome message will show at the top of the sign-up. The location field might be your room number, or an online meeting link, such as Zoom or Google Meet. Or if parents can choose in-person or virtual, you can include both. Below, let's review the options section. You'll want to uncheck this box to hide parents' names from each other. Check here to allow parents to send a request to swap appointments. You may also want to check this box to hide comments entered by one parent from all other parents. Next, add a custom question asking parents to enter their child's name when they sign up. First, click the Add Manage button to add a new field. Enter student name or child name, make it a text field, and check the required box. Once saved, it will show on the Details page. Click Next to plan your conference times. Select Create New Spot. In this example, I would like one person to attend a parent conference at 8:30 a.m. Next, click Add Shifts to create all your meeting times in one step. I would like my meetings to start at 8:30 a.m. and end at 2 p.m. Conferences will be 20 minutes long with a 5-minute break in between each one. The lower part of the screen will automatically show the conference appointments that will be created. If you want time off for lunch or an extended break, the black X will delete any single appointment spot in the series. Click Apply when you are ready to continue. In Step 2, tell us when this conference schedule happens. Select a single day or multiple dates by clicking on the calendar here. To check your work, the message below the calendar will tell you how many spots are being created on how many days. Step 3, the Extra Details section is a place to add anything important about your meetings, such as where to park, links to documents, or other instructions. Parents will see these details when they sign up, and they will also be included in the automated confirmation and reminder messages. Save your appointments and you will see them all listed here. Next, pick a theme for how your sign-up will look. First, choose an image from this list, upload your school logo, or copy a theme from another sign-up. Then choose a background from the options below. Now let's see how the sign-up looks by clicking on Preview. When you like what you see, close your preview and click Next to invite class parents to sign up. You can send them an email, post a link on social media, or put a button on your class website. Remind can also be used to send group texts. Parents choose their conference spots from any device anywhere. They don't need a password or to create an account. Busy parents appreciate that Signup sends automatic reminders. Teachers love that parents show up for their scheduled conferences. Now let's take a look at what happens once parents have signed up. Back on your organizer dashboard, to see which parents are coming when, click the Signup title and go to the Spots tab of your Signups organizer view. Click here to make sure you are in the list view. Go to the row with the date you wish to see. Click on the gear icon on the far right and choose View. This report can be viewed on screen or printed. You also have reports available to you on the Reports tab. Just make sure to include custom questions to see the child or student's name. In the Settings tab, check your email preferences if you want to receive an alert each time a parent signs up or cancels, or if you want to add additional details about the appointment in each reminder message. The My Tools tab at the top of the site has a participant check-in option for Campus Plan members, so you can see a list of who's coming when, right on your phone. We'll also send you an email notification on Fridays, letting you know whom to expect in the upcoming week. Do you have parents who aren't online? No problem. You can assign them a conference spot manually from the Spots tab of your Signups organizer view. Find the appointment time. Click on the 3 dots on the right and select Assign. Choose the parent's name, or select Add New Participant at the top of the list. Next, let's learn how to organize a conference schedule for a whole school or grade by using a simple template. We suggest putting template in the name. It will be used as a starting point for all the teachers' conference schedules. Next, duplicate and rename the sign-up for each individual teacher. From the dashboard, click on the gear icon and choose Duplicate. This can be done from either the card view or list view. Enter the new teacher's name and click Duplicate. And repeat this for each teacher. Back on the dashboard, you will see all the teachers listed. Middle schools and high schools many times list the subject before the teacher name for sorting purposes. Once all of the conference signups are set up, they can be posted to a common group page. One page with one URL for easy sharing with parents. On your dashboard, My Group Pages is just below my signups. Click Create a new group page and follow the prompts. You will enter a title and description, add a logo, and choose which signups you want to show on the group page. Once you have added all the conference signups, you can organize them alphabetically. On the last page, you have invitation options to choose from, just as for a single sign-up. To speed your conference planning, our Parent-Teacher Conference Concierge service will set up teacher conference signups for the whole school and post them to a school group page within 2 business days. Contact support at Signup.com for information. If you have questions along the way, click Help. We also invite you to check out our Idea Center for free printables and planning tips to help you have the most successful conference season ever. Get started today at Signup, the easiest way to bring parents and teachers together.